All right, good evening, everybody. Let's go ahead and start with the odds for unit rates. It says find each unit rate round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. So number 17 says we've got 815 calories in 4 servings. Remember, with unit rates, we always want to find out how many 1 is. So this is going to be how many calories are in 1 serving. We'll have to divide 815 by 4 to know how many is in 1. I know 4 goes in 8 2 times. That's going to leave me 15. 4 doesn't go into 1 anytime, so that's 0. 4 goes into 15 3 times because 4 times 3 is 12. That's going to leave me 3 left over. Of course, I have to put my decimal there and give another 0 if I want to find out any further. And I do need to know the nearest hundredth, so I will. I can say that 4 times 7 will give me 28. With 2 left over. And how many times is 4 going to 20? Well, 4 times 5 is 20. So my answer is going to be 203.75 calories per serving. Let's put calories slash serving. All right, let's go to number 19. It says I've got 144 miles on 415 gallons. So they're going to want to know how many miles can I get with 1 gallon, right? It's really a division problem, right? 144. We're dividing it by 4.5. That's all. If I want to do that a lot quicker, I can just go to my calculator. And I can take 144 and divide it by 4.5. That's going to give me 32. So that's 32 miles per gallon. All right, let's go down to number 21. Dalia earns $108.75 for working 15 hours in a holiday, helping wrapping gifts. At this rate, how much money will she earn if she works 18 hours next week? Well, this is simply one of those examples of why we need to know how much 1 is. If I know how much 1 is, I know how much anything is. Because if I can tell you how much money she earned every hour that she worked in that 15 hours, I'll just multiply that by 8. So to find that rate, first of all, I can say I got 108.75, and we did that in 15 hours. Right? Now, I can also say, if I want to cross multiply, that over here I have 18 hours, and I'm trying to find out how much money will I earn if I worked 18 hours. So this would be the x. And if I cross multiplied, I could simply say I'm going to multiply 108.75 times 18, and I'll divide it by 15, and that'll give me what x is. So let's do that first. I'll get my calculator again. And we have 108.75 times 18. See, that's 108.75 times 18. We're cross multiplying the numbers that are cross diagonally from each other. And that number is going to be 1,957 and 0.5. So that's, again, that's how much will I earn. What we earn is up on top. So that's going to be 1,000. 957.5, 57.5. Okay, and now we have to divide that by 15. You see that? And that will give us our answer. Divided by 15. And that's going to give me $130.05. $130.05. Yep. Oh, okay. So now that I know the answer, I can say that she will earn, let's type it out. She will earn $130.50, since we're talking about money. I'm going to put a dollar sign in front here. Oops. And let's go ahead and shrink all this down. Don't need these numbers being so big. Okay. After working 18 hours. That's it. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and do it the long way, you would simply say, I'm going to divide 108.75 by 15, and I find out how much 1 is. Let's try that just for a second here, so I can show you both methods. This time we're going to take 108.75, and we're going to divide it by 15, our division problem here. That gives us 7.75. Okay, I'm going to write that off really quick, 7.75. Now we're going to multiply that by the number of hours. That's how much is 1 hour. So if I multiply that by 18, that will allow me to know what I get 18 hours. And it should be the exact amount that I have here. And let's check that out. 7.75 times 18. And look at that, $130.50. You see, those are the two methods you can use to find your answer. And I think I've only got maybe one more to do. Nope, it's on number 22. This is on you. So hope that helped you out with the rest of your homework. Have a good night, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.